Welcome to the Chemistry Live channel. Today we are discussing with new module. The module is Retrosynthesis and Synthesis of benzimidazole in the category of the how to draw a structure using a software in chemistry. So let's jump into the section and begin quick. So in the beginning of this synthesis or in the retrosynthesis of benzimidazole, we have to first take a benzene ring, or we can say we draw a benzimidazole ring first. This is a benzene ring. This is another 5-member ring. We have to place it something like that. Okay. Now here, our chemistry comes into the market. Here we put an N. Here again we put an N, and again we need a one bond. So we can put the bond here, or we can use this to draw the bond. So it is very simple. You see it. Drag it here to here. It's become a bond. If you more thrice, then it's triple bond. Okay, but we don't need it. So we undo the change. That is benzimidazole, guys. Simple benzimidazole. Okay, so this is only one step in retrosynthesis. It is very quite easy to understand, and synthesis as well very easy to understand. Nothing. You have to break this one bond and this two bond, and we get our benzimidazole compound, or the starting material for the benzimidazole compound. So let's begin with the retrosynthesis first. So for that one, you have to pick the retrosynthesis arrow. This is the retrosynthesis arrow. So I would like to pick the arrow in a straight manner. Okay, so this is. Now, as you know, we have to write something here. Here we have to write CN disconnection, not FGI, CN disconnection. So there is CN disconnection we write. We can somehow manage this and it's fine. So if we disconnect this, we get formic acid and orthophenylene diamine. So for our conveniency, we have to just copy this and paste it here. When we paste it, delete unwanted atom from that side. It means this. So we can get orthophenylene diamine, and now we want plus sign. So we can pick it here, put it the plus sign here. Let's see, it is not possible because this plus sign is not. So if you wish to put a plus sign, use the T here like that. Okay, there is a T already here, so it is not given as a result. So we can. That's why I always recommend to shut it down somehow so we can easily use it. So here we can normal plus sign. And it's done, job done. So we can set it center, and now we want formic acid. Okay, see here there is formic acid. No, there is no formic acid. There is only carboxylic acid. So we have to place the carboxylic acid. Okay, and addition to that we have to add one CH3. Okay, it's not formic acid by the way, and place the H. It becomes formic acid. So now again there is a problem. So first we have to select this. Okay, select, then rotate. Pick it from somewhere. So now we want to rotate. We have to use this icon. See this icon. Okay, and then pick it and just rotate from here. It is no this 3D structure. So we can pick this icon and start rotating it. So see, we'll got 3D images like that. Okay, in 3 direction. But this is now it's fine. Copy the whole stuff again. Pick it and put it here. So that is our structure. Formic acid. It is a formic acid. Yes, it is a formic acid. Formic acid, orthophenyl diamine. We combine together, we get benzimidazole. So simple, there is only one step disconnection and we got it everything. Because this is very easy to understand. It is very easy to get from the commercial market, that's why. So now we have to manage this name of that synthesis of benzimidazole. So next we will jump to the synthesis of benzimidazole, how to draw the synthesis. There is nothing more in the synthesis of benzimidazole. So we can take a look on it. So let's start with this 2-step. Take orthophenyl diamine and formic acid. So for that, select this from here to all this. Okay, just copy and paste to save lots of time. We did it actually. Now we are use arrow, but this time we have a normal reaction arrow. We have to use a normal reaction arrow. Now that arrow, what we see in here, it is not clear. It is now arrow is perfect. Here we want to add NaOH because we can add a base to complete the reaction. So what is base the role? Base is abstract the proton from here and then we start the reaction or initiate the reaction. So again we want a more time. We have to save the time. So what should we do? We again copy this, paste it here somehow, and then we have to have this group here. Let's see how we did it. So we want this group here first, and then removal of water molecule occurs and we get benzimidazole moiety. That is step, not like that's normally. So what we did, we have first add this like that, or we can do nothing, this. Okay, again not this side, we'll try to add this side, so for us it's helpful. So let's see this kind. Now we need a NH as well, so put it NH back here, double bond here with double bond and O. That is our inter. Okay, so here we copy that whole, put it here. That NaOH portion, we'll put it down and write in place of NaOH here, we have to write H2O. See, like H we have here 2 and O. This is so simple. But it should be minus sign before because it's removal of water molecule. Where is removal? This O and this H remove itself and we get our benzimidazole moiety. So for that, our simplicity, we just copied the benzimidazole ring and paste it here again. Okay, so now it's time to get the properties of the benzimidazole, like the name. Okay, what is the IUPAC name of benzimidazole? Then what is the exact mass? What is the formula weight or formula mass? And then M plus HP. So let's begin with this. So first of all, copy the structure, go to the tool menu, generate the name. It's quick 1H benzimidazole, finish it. Again, copy this, go to the tool menu, generate the name and molecular formula, copy to the editor. Here, this is, we have. Again, copy this, go to the tool, calculate formula weight. Copy this. So just, we need to just a little bit up and down and we'll solve our problem. This time also copy, and the last we want to calculate M plus. Okay, we don't need to do more. M plus. Let's see a little bit more. There is a M plus calculation. So that's it guys for today's video. So thank you for watching guys. If you have any doubts, just write in comment section, and please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notification soon in our next video.